Welcome aboard Sailing Abigail. Follow us as we cruise the Pacific Northwest and the Gulf Islands on Vancouver Island. Check us out as the Bingsters set sail on our blended family with 7 siblings. That's right, 2 girls, 5 boys, adventuring around, making trouble, causing mischief, and having fun. You'll see the problems that exist, the repairs we do, and as we set sail, you can see some of the adventures and hidden little coves that we can find. Follow us on our adventures on Instagram and YouTube.
The sun's gone. Yeah, you're about to do it. You're pushing me in.
Oliver, you're pushing me in. Let go. I'm standing up.
Guys, stop. Every time you move, you're pushing me in.
Okay, it's not.
Go on, I'm gonna tickle you. Go on, I'm coming to tickle you.
I'll tickle him.
Yeah, tickle him real good.
Come back, tickle him.
Tickle him. Quick, tickle him. Tickle. Okay, leave him alone. Leave him alone now.
Hey, turn to tickle him.
Stop.
All right.
Nothing starts off a sailing adventure better than a
2, 1.
Catalina 30 arm wrestling tournament.
That was worth $20.
No, I want to try to get some more.
Well, try as hard as you can.
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, let's go.
Let Fury go.
Colin, never do that. You're gonna rip someone's arm.
Ow. We're gonna do
Yeah, you rip
the
muscles.
French way. No, the Spanish way. Uno. Come
Stop.
on. Don't.
You're not allowed to touch him.
You got more fight than Ollie.
You weren't even trying.
I'm gonna go.
You're going back and forth, man.
I'm gonna go. You can close your eyes and let it happen, or you can fight it.
Fight it!
I'm going now.
He's a good fighter.
Go.
Okay.
And $20.
On me.
Oh,
Okay,
dear.
everybody.
Lennox,
Everybody
back
look
up.
on.
Back away
Everybody
from
look
elbows,
on.
honey.
Okay. On your mark.
Back away from
Get
elbows.
set. Go.
Oh, Chad, come on, baby.
Yeah, get him.
Oh, you guys are crazy. Hey, what does that show you?
He's
how,
weak. He's weak.
No, how strong is a team of brotherhood?
2,000 pounds.
Yes, as strong as a horse,
As
right?
strong as a
How
poop.
strong is Daddy? Is
As strong as a
one.
elephant.
a little less than a horse.
As strong as a monkey.
You guys did really good.
Good job.
Actually, no, this hand again. Yeah. No, this hand.
Well, that's a strong hand.
3.
Wait, you gotta put your hand on the table more.
Next, this hand is.
There you go.
This hand is.
What are you doing?
Yeah, he wants to do
This
this
is
one.
really-
That
Stop!
one. This
He
one.
wants to do
No, this one.
This one.
Look
You're trying to help him because it's a stronger hand, right? What?
Just left hand.
I know, he's trying to help him use his stronger
Oh,
hand.
next one!
You won! Good job! That's awesome.
Arm wrestle champions.
Brothers.
No, he was. He doesn't have a very strong left hand like you. You have a very strong left hand.
They're doing a sip.
That was a good fight. Yeah.
Hey, good morning, Tenedos Bay.
Tenedos Bay.
And we are, what are we doing, guys?
Fishing, and so far we've got 2 fish.
Let's see the Logan. Holy cow, what did you catch there?
Rockfish.
A rock cod.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's big.
He's ugly.
Let's go put him in the bucket now.
Okay, go check. All right, put him in the bucket. Yeah, look at that guy. Isn't that nice looking? Wow, how colorful he is. He's just having some breaths right now. You gonna poke your fish here?
Fish.
Poke your foot.
And
Okay, let's go.
3 seconds after I put my rod down, I catch another or whatever this rock is.
Oh, you caught something. I don't think that's, what was that?
A rock.
That was a rock? You're supposed to catch rock cod.
One of them from
Okay, do it again. Yeah. The tide has gone down about 10 feet right now, and we are stern tide for the night. That was a bit of a challenge. I don't have enough rope, and a really easy way to do it. I have to have about 200 feet of rope, and probably needed 300 feet. Good job, buddy. Oh yeah, you got a bigger fish. Yeah.
Another one? Yep, another one. Come over here. I put the rod down for 3 seconds.
Holy, you guys are on fire. We need bigger ones.
This one's a bit too small.
Yeah. Welcome to Tenedos Bay. And they're off. Gone for a rip. Up the hill. Gotta catch them. We're going to the lake. Yeah. Hey, let's go to Unwin Lake. Point to where we are. Okay. Yeah.
Just a second. Right
Right here, actually.
here.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to this lake, I think.
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not that long at all.
No.
There's another one there and 2 little ones. There's just the whole land is riddled with lakes in here.
This is the way for the lake.
There's a lake that
That reminds us that that tells us that
You guys think there's bears here?
No.
yeah.
Yeah?
Guys, let's go.
Okay, let's boogie.
in these platforms for tenting.
Come on, Logan.
We're going this way.
Yeah, it's straight though, hon, this way. Oh, you're just showing them that?
Okay, bye, let's go.
No, I found a place to put a tent. Uh-oh, we found the Ewoks in Star Wars. The Ewoks with life jackets. Hey, have a sword fight, quick! Stop it, Lennox! Stop, have your fight! Go! Get your lightsabers! Ah. Here comes the stormtroopers.
I'm glad one couldn't stick with anyone. We gotta get the stormtrooper.
Oh,
You
gotcha.
gotta get my guys.
Now go, quick!
Run, watch out
Go,
for
we
the
gotta
little
get the
Go get the bad
stormtroopers.
guys.
I need to get the stormtroopers.
Get the stormtroopers, go!
Stay on the right. Don't hit him.
Slowly. Everybody wave. Hi. Wave, Quinn. Or Lennox. Wave, Sophia. There's Sophia. She's so pretty. Okay, let's go. I was told by the conservation officer there that's 26 degrees in the water. DFO.
And you should learn too.
Oh. Well, I'm lucky everybody has got the engine running and everybody's in the dinghy ready to pick us up. Oh, look at that. Look at those guys. There are. Oh, they're going and come back. Okay. Our sailboat's over there on the right. It's hid by the rocks. Taxi! Taxi!
What does that mean?
Taxi. Dos cerveza, por favor. Oh, sí. Mi amigo.
Get the net.
Behind Dad.
Yep, get the net.
Patrick, get the net.
This one's big. Get the net.
Get the net.
Where did you put it? Did you reel it in? I'll reel it in.
Here, right here, right here.
Quinn, get the net.
Here, here.
That's not
Don't fall off the boat.
No, we gotta get it in.
Did you catch the ground? Something happened inside. I don't care what it was, but they're all back talking. The mom up in there. And so they all got in trouble. And now they're all pulling the anchor up. You guys better hurry up so we don't blow into the shore.
Be quiet.
Get going.
We're trying to concentrate here.
Pull.
We're trying to concentrate here.
There's the chain finally.
Yeah, where's the part?
We're trying to concentrate.
I'm not joking. Pull the anchor up before we run across.
Right. Put you into a tennis. We're concentrating.
Okay, all that rope's got to go back in the locker. You guys know that.
We'll do that later.
No, do it now.
No.
It's going to create a big knot, and you guys might even drop the anchor, and it's going to get caught in your legs, and you're going to go down with it.
Well, I guess.
Pull the rope, push the rope in. Oh boy, I don't see it yet. Long ways to go. Might as well speed up. There it is. Yep, there. Okay, it's twisted. So you're gonna have to twist the chain and let it out a little bit, so untwist. So twist the chain while you let it out. There you go. Well, either way, yeah. And now let it out a foot. There you go. Now pull it in. Okay, now put the extra super cleats on and all that. Get the chain in there and I'm gonna start motoring now.
Okay, bye.
Hey, next time there's no back talking inside the boat. You guys understand that?
So, yes, sir.
Okay, I'm not joking. If mom says stop, you guys do what? Boys. You listen. Alright, so we are leaving Tenedos Bay and we're just going through the channel by Bold Head. And there's a few rocks and stuff like that here. But I got the fishing rod down. I just wanted to see if we can catch anything and create a nice meal for us. Anyways, last time we came through here, we hit a wicked Chinook. I kid you not, it must have been like 20 pounds. They got like right close to the boat. It was a massive, massive fish. And when we come through here, we need to be really careful of these rocks around this area here. So we're trying to keep clear. But the depth is actually pretty decent. It's still 174, 154. So anyways, with the rock out there, we want to keep away from that, but it just drops right down. I just wanted to show everybody this beautiful landscape that is out here in Tenedos Bay. All these rocks and cliffs are just straight up, and it makes it pretty enjoyable. All the kids are inside. Actually, this is the first time out of 10 days I let them have the Nintendo. You know, one of those 601 Nintendo games from like Super Mario Brothers 1, 2, and 3. So they're just chilling out after they just got crap from me. So anyways, we have to have an on-off switch. Goofballs. Goofballs. What a bunch of goofballs. Okay. Hey, honey. Honey. False alarm. Okay, you ready for this?
What?
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Oh, fish on! Fish! Oh, 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 quick! Okay, I'm just joking. I'm joking. Sorry, I was joking. This don't reel it up. I was joking. Goofballs. Can't have fun with them. What do you do? Love you, babe.
Love you.
Okay, just installed the newest improvement
All I was
on
doing
the
was looking down
sailboat.
at the chart book.
You didn't even notice I was doing anything.
5
You're like,
minutes later, I look up. You've got it installed.
I'm in and out getting screwdrivers and bits and nuts and put our new Scotty. Oh, we already had the manual downrigger, but now we got the Scotty rod holder in the Mr. Big Fish fishing rod. Because this guy catches big fish. Oh, that's good.
I want a salmon dinner tonight, please.
Why? Why? They don't
Because I
need
wanna-
food. These kids don't need to eat any food.
Yeah, they're gonna be hungry today.
Yeah. We should be sailing too, though. We get like 10 knot wind right now. It's just right now it feels like it's a little much. I'm kind of frustrated and stressed out with kids. I feel like sailing right now would just add to it a little bit more than I need to right now.
Give them a little bit of downtime and then make them come up and sail.
Yeah. All right, fish on. Fish on.
You just caught a dogfish. You let it go. You used an anchovy for that bait. Now you're gonna rebait
I don't know how that's gonna work. This
bait
could fall
the hook
off.
again. Whatever you did, you just caught a shark. So do that again.
Yeah,
And let's
he
pray
ripped
that
off
it's
one
gonna
of
be
the
a.
hooks.
Oh really? That's how strong he was. He was a really, really strong fighter. That one.
All right. Okay, keep some pressure on it. Okay, you keep videotaping, okay? Okay, just wait, Logan. Okay, you want to get on this side of the dinghy. Okay? Keep it up, over top. Okay, now you start reeling it in again. Okay, you start reeling it in now more.
That thing's chunky. Oh my! No! 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 Oh!
Give me the rod over here.
Is that a rock? It's like a rock.
Guys, everybody back up! That's a monster!
This is a monster! That is so big! That is so big! Yeah!
Okay, give me my bat. Hey, no, my bat is underneath there.
Say you love me forever. Say that you'll be mine.
There's an island to the right of us. Actually, there's 4 cluster of islands. We told them that. While I cooked dinner, maybe an hour just short of, they had to go to the island and explore together. So there's 6 of them. Chad's gonna drop them off, and he's gonna stern tie.
pork wraps, but it takes an hour to cook the pork. But they've been, no, I already pre-cooked it, so I took away shit. And it's only gonna take about 20 minutes to heat up, but I'm gonna turn it on low, so they think I'm actually doing something here. When really I'm gonna pop a bottle of wine and enjoy a glass while they explore. And I can hear and see them the entire time. As the sun goes down, it's so peaceful here. Walsh Cove, Desolation Sound. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, it's breakfast time. You even got your, looks like a sailboat shirt on. How are the pancakes today, Quinn? Eh? They look pretty Yeah. Yum, yum. Good job. Good job, hon. Nice work. How many pancakes do you think you made today?
Wait, it's fucking yummy.
8 or 9 at least.
Some big ones, but I did
That's
some
even the little ones.
to dip them. The little ones to dip
Okay.
them.
Not way more than 8 or 9.
No, not yet. I'm still cooking. The first one's always crappy, and you get it. Can you hand that up to dry? Those ones are pretty
Nice
good.
hair today, babe.
Is there flour and stuff in it? too?
No, I don't know. How much hair do you have in the back of your head? Holy boy, look at that.
I feel like
Whoa.
I'm like weighing down my bed. By the end of the day. See, he does juice. I just want to come out and make a pancake.
Quinn, what is this?
Logan's looking forward to going for a little morning rip. Started all by himself today from cold with the choke and everything. Good job, Logan.
Watch out for rocks.
Hunter-gatherers, off they go. See you at dinner time.
It's a whale, Dad. It's a whale. Stay with them for a couple of days.
Hey, go and ask if you can stay on that yacht for a little while.
See if you can visit.
Take Sophia.
2
Sophia, your boat's passing. Sophia.
Sophia, your chance is here.
Quick, Sophia,
Your
swim.
chance to escape. Let me see what the flag says though, because if it says American, you're not allowed.
One more time.
No, we're good.
Okay. Don't touch them. Nobody touches them. Pick 2 suits.
Red spades and diamonds.
Okay. Spades and diamonds. Okay. Pick one of those suits.
Spades.
Okay. What's the other one?
Diamonds.
Okay. Diamonds. Pick 5 cards.
What?
5 types of cards. Numbers, letters. Right?
2.
King, queen.
2,
Yeah.
Jack, King, Queen, and 4.
4.
4.
2, Jack, King, Queen, 4.
Yeah, 4.
Okay. Pick 2 of those.
4. 4 and no, King and 4.
King and 4.
Yeah.
Okay. King and 4. Pick one of those.
4. King. 4.
Which one?
4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the other one?
King.
King of
Spades.
diamonds. Remember?
Diamonds. Oh yeah. Okay.
Check it.
The what?
Flip it over.
This. Flip
Yeah.
it over.
Show me. What is it?
It's a king of
You
diamonds.
guys picked it.
What the heck?
What's this one? It's a peanut.
Pretty good.
You have wait. You put all the king.
Well, the keys in the ground.
The problem is the holes.
Could it be plugged?
Yeah, I think it's plugged. I think there's something wrong with inside the tank.
Uh-oh.
The only way to unplug it is to.
You thought it was a macerator pump, but the pump keeps trying?
Yeah, exactly.
And it's overheating. I'm dealing with a shitty situation. Not me, actually. Chad is mostly. I shouldn't laugh. He didn't want me to videotape. My head is up here in the fresh air.
As soon as I pull that plug off,
Yeah.
all the black water is going to drain or want to drain.
Want to drain and splurt into your face?
Yeah, and everywhere all over the boat.
That's not good.
Eventually into the build.
Clear out an area. We've got bleach. God, your phone sure jiggles when it's being videotaped.
I said we're going to MacGyver the shit out of this. Here's what my thought is.
Okay.
Something's plugged. And I have a vacuum waste gate or valve out here. And I have a little air compressor pump I bought for the dinghies.
For the dinghy.
And I'm going to create a little valve of some sort that'll seal that and push air back through the pump, back into the tank. Some of it's going to come out, but it'll come out that little hole in the vent on the outside. And if that works, maybe it'll just dislodge whatever's in there.
What are you gonna seal it with so it's nice and tight?
Yes.
Duct tape?
Duct tape.
What?
Lots of duct tape. Yeah, MacGyver uses duct tape.
Condoms?
And some tin foil.
Tin foil?
Condoms.
Wax
we have
paper?
condoms?
Saran wrap?
I don't have any condoms. Yeah. Okay, let me get in here.
You could totally cut my wine bag and use that as a seal. Oh my gosh, there's a seal in there with the spout. What's the MacGyver theme song? That's a hella fancy pump.
Yeah.
I remember my idea.
When I said, why don't you just siphon it up a little bit?
Get it
Suck
going.
on it, get it going.
And then
Spit it out.
just like you do gasoline. Not that I know how to do that.
But you know, like every time you siphon up some gasoline, right, you get a little taste of it in the mouth. I'm be coming straight after you for a kiss.
Oh, I didn't say you had to do it. I thought we could pick one of these guys over here on the island behind us.
Alright.
Probably do it for $10.
Okay, let's see.
I can't do it.
Okay, well, I'm tired, frustrated, but I fixed it. Been working on the macerator pump for the last hour and a half, and it is the most stinky, disgusting smell anybody could ever be working on. What I did was I used a little hobby pump that I've had here, and that pumps up air pressure to 60 psi. I created a couple adapters like this one here, and I chucked it into my waste gate over there and blew air into the tank. No problem. Blew air into the tank. That's great. And then I blew air into the macerator pump it goes through out to the ocean, and no problem too, blew right through. So I used the macerator pump right down in there, and through this line I blew air through there and out to the ocean and also into the tank, no problem. So now what? You're like, okay, air is going into the tank, no problem. Leaving the tank, can't be an issue with a blocked line. And the motor's spinning, but just not very fast. So I pull the motor. And you know the hardest part about pulling a macerator pump motor is making sure that brown stuff doesn't go everywhere. And it went almost everywhere. And it's disgusting. You know what's more disgusting is when you have about 8 sanitary wipes go into the toilet. Don't put wipes down the drain. Which kid? Which kid? Which one? Which one did it? I'm gonna find out. It's not gonna be good. Which one? Yeah, wind's against you. Alright, Logan, you think so, eh?
Yeah.
Is it a big one?
Mm-hmm.
Get easier? Is it easier now?
Yeah. His eyes are probably popping out.
Alright, let's see what we got. So our boys were dying to go catch some big fish, so I took them out in the dinghy and went into the middle of the channel. We had some pretty good luck.
Oh, you did get a good one. All right.
Big boy.
That one. We're gonna keep that one for sure. Hold him good. Don't let him go. We got another one. So hopefully we can keep this one, eh?
Or if it's even on.
You're not even sure if it's even on anymore? Take your time. Sometimes they give up until they get to the very top.
There he is. There's a fish on.
Okay. Oh, you just got him off. Oh no. Oh, he's swimming down. He was. That's good. It was a tiny guy. It was a tiny one. Okay. Rescue the fender. Go, Quinster, go get it. Cohen just wanted to raise this hammock a few feet, and while he was doing that, we had a fender disaster. It's floating. Fender bender. We need to take care of this stuff. And Quinn is on Mission Impossible. Dun, 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 dun. No. Yeah, I wouldn't wait for him either. Get the fender. Tickle, 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 tickle.
Hey, thanks for watching Sailing Abby. These kids have been behaving well. This is day 10 of our trip. We started this episode in Tenedos Bay and swam in Unwin Lake. Sailed up to my favorite spot, Waddington Channel. Even caught some fish. I had to repair the macerator pump, but tomorrow we'll travel past many waterfalls to the pristine locations only found in Toba Inlet. Please subscribe and leave a comment, and we'll see you soon.